You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce this curious word in English correctly. The spelling is a little bit confusing, but it's easy once you know. Pitied. Okay, so let's break it down. P. The first one is a short E sound, P, although the stress is on this first syllable, P, and then the second syllable has a long E sound, pitied, pitied, pitied. It's easy, and now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Pitied. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.